Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to log into your Plex account with your Facebook. Before getting started, first make sure that you have a Facebook account created. If not, make sure you sign up first. Now tap open your Plex application or log into your Plex account on a web browser. After you are in this main homepage, you want to go ahead and tap on the sign in button. In the sign in page, it'll ask you to choose one of these options to log into your Plex account. To continue logging in with Facebook, go ahead and tap on Continue with Facebook option in blue. It'll then prompt you to use facebook.com to sign in. Tap on Continue and you'll end up in the main homepage for facebook.com. You will now need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials. If you're not logged into your Facebook, go ahead and enter your email or your phone number and type in your password to log into Facebook. And once you are logged in, you will be able to see this continue button. After tapping on continue, Plex will get access to your name, your profile picture and email address from your Facebook. So make a wise choice and tap on continue in order to log into your Plex account with Facebook. And that is how you should be able to log into Plex with Facebook. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. Go ahead and make sure to give us a thumbs up if it was. Also hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back again with more tutorials like this. Goodbye till then.